Hi friends, I'm making omu라이스. Like, what did you say, Yuna? It's called 오무라이스 in Japanese or in Korean. So what that means is it's basically ketchup fried rice. I don't know, I'm laughing because ketchup fried rice sounds like a child food, but it is for everybody. I'm gonna try making egg tornado on top of it. So wish me luck. So first ingredient we have is bacon. And this bacon is smoked bacon. All right, so we're gonna cook the bacon until very crispy. I'm going to crack my eggs for our scrambled. So I'm gonna season it, always season it. Salt and pepper. Simple food is often the best in my opinion. And just going to scramble it with chopsticks because it's an Asian dish. I definitely beat it enough. Just might need 2, that's it. And oh, we're not wasting any bacon grease because we're gonna make fantastic fried rice with it. I'm just gonna chop that in half and then let the rest cook. What I'm going to do, chop with my scissors. All right, so that looks good. All right, so let that cook a little bit. And right in here, I'm going to add in our little bit of onion, couple tablespoons of onion. Then right in here, as soon as onions are caramelized, I'm just gonna actually add in our green onions. You can stick with your scissors all you want. Drizzle some oil so that we can make really crispy fried rice, right? Yes. Right in here. Cook these ingredients a little longer in my fantastic olive oil. And just add in our rice. So I bought rice that's already pre-cooked because sometimes I just need, 1 serving amount. And this way I control my portions. So I'm gonna break up all the rice right in the pan. I'm going to return, so I have a stainless steel, but I don't have non-stick version of this. So keep that up, keep stirring it. Now, we're here, ketchup. This amount of ketchup that you use really depends on the personal preference. So I like to go ahead and just kind of gauge it, but it's probably about a couple tablespoons. 3. Oh yeah. Omu라이스 is a very popular dish in Korea and in Japan. It's looking very ketchupy, guys. So I'm looking at it after I blend it in a little bit. I see light pink, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right. Once that's in, we're gonna just put that in here. Beautiful. It should fit perfectly because it came from the bowl. It needs to cool off a little bit. And the key is to really just go around and just do this. So I'm gonna put that in. So our thin egg layer on top of our rice is done just like this. And make sure you use a non-stick pan because you don't want the eggs to stick. You want it to be perfectly. All right, so our eggs are done. And it should be perfectly round, just like that. And very carefully, basically, you cover it. So you fix it. You're gonna fix this baby right here. You have to put a face on it, meaning right on top. I guess you know. 오무라이스, I made it. Make sure you put face or whatever shape you want to do. I just drew a little zigzag line. Isn't it beautiful? Because right under these eggs, we have amazing ketchup fried rice. So I hope you try making this, and if we're not connected on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks. Every Tuesday, I upload a new video with some fun and easy recipes like this. So hit the subscribe button and I'll give you my stickers. If you hit the subscribe button and comment that you did subscribe, I'll ship it to you because I love you that much. Anyway, have an amazing day and I hope that you enjoy this. Bye.